online traffic information provides you with real-time, up-to-date information on traffic conditions, traffic jams, road accidents, or restored traffic, helping you plan the optimal route. Make sure your ŠKODA is online and press the Traffic button, and the system will display a list of current traffic information items. You may use the knob to scroll up and down to select one of the items. Detailed information will be displayed upon selection. The map view will zoom in to the section of the route corresponding to the displayed information. You can view more information by pressing the arrow on the left side. Use the top right arrow to return to the list of current traffic information items. You can identify any problems along your route also directly on the map by tapping the road sign icon. If the navigation system is on, any problems along your route will be highlighted in color. Press the button to display the corresponding section of the route and estimated delay. Controlled dynamic navigation takes into account any potential delays due to traffic congestion along the route and guides you to your destination using the fastest possible route.